Hi, I'm Michele Newman, the psychic sound healer, here with your high vibe life. Just love that high vibration of life frequency moving through me. Hope you can hear that. We have this incredible Tibetan bowl today, and we are here to talk about the passion of life, the fire passion that runs through you. We've just been going through the Leo full moon energy. It was a couple of days ago, but it's still going strong. And I've been so full of that passion, living my passion. I'm here in Northern California, just having fun, being part of nature, being part of the trees and the earth and the sky and all the birds and listening to all the incredible sounds. It's an amazing full moon, Leo, passionate. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet and simple. Just stay in your passions, stay in your fullness, stay in touch with your passions because it's what's running the world. Your passions. This is what's going to keep our planet healthy, strong, when everyone is living their heart fully, truly being alive in their passions, their fire alive in their belly, all of your energies and your body, heart, mind, and soul just woo, feels so good. Gotta live that passion, anchor it, keep it strong, keep it full, keep it healthy for yourself and for all of the collective, for all of our community, for everyone you love. Keep it visible, and then miracles and magic happen. Just keep it alive. Keep doing your passion, and magic happens. Sometimes it's just a matter of staying slow and steady, and that's where the magic can be. But always feel that fire. Gotta live like a fountain. Ooh. There's so many gifts in this energy of the Leo full moon. So stay strong, stay courageous, take the right actions, find all the support you need, and hold the love that you deserve. I'm here for you. I'm here to support you. Look down below, call me, text me anytime. I have clients calling me and texting me all the time. And it is so much fun to interact with them and find out what's going on with their passions. I have helped so many people find their passions. It's an amazing journey to truly live the fire of your own personal passion. So here we are. I'm going to go out and play some more. And I'm going to give you this high frequency of the Tibetan bowl so that you too can live your high vibe life. Hello, you beautiful birdie.